Welcome to Physics 101. Let's get started. Physics has a language, and it's very important that we learn how to speak that language and also how to write that language. In order to avoid being very cumbersome, physics uses a lot of symbols. First of all, we make use of pretty much every letter of our English alphabet, and also both cases. So it is very case specific. So for example, if you wanted to indicate the definition for density, which is rho equals mass divided by volume, you would have to remember that this is a small case m and the volume is a large case v. So that is very important to make sure that we learn our cases when we are learning our notation for physics. We also make use of many Greek letters. A few that you should learn right now. The first one would be delta. And this means change. And for example, if we're talking about delta t, change in time, it would be a time final, note the subscript, minus time initial. So change in time, which is final minus initial. Another one that you should become familiar with will be theta. And that is used to indicate an angle. But what if your problem has two angles in it? Well, in this case, you can indicate the second angle with beta, or perhaps we also could use phi. All right. In physics, we use what is called SI units. International Standard. So this will not be the units you're used to. We're not using miles and feet and inches. No, we are using units based on a base 10 system. So as we begin our study of mechanics, we'll want to know about length, mass, and time. And length, we're going to be using the basic meter. Mass is a gram, and time will be the second. This will be a small case m, a small case g, and a small case f. But what about if we want to indicate large quantities or smaller quantities? What we do is we use prefixes, which increase by 3 orders of magnitude. So if we're going up, we'll use the kilo, and that's 10 to the third, or the mega, 10 to the sixth, or the giga, 10 to the ninth. And if we're going down, we use the milli, 10 to the negative 3, or the micro, 10 to the negative 6, or the nano, 10 to the negative 9th.